Hey everyone, today we're diving into Canva versus Notion templates to see which one sells better on Etsy in 2025. Let's break it down quick and simple. First, Canva templates. These are designs for things like social media posts, wedding invites, or planners. Canva is a super easy tool where you drag and drop to create visuals. On Etsy, Canva templates are popular because they're eye-catching and buyers can edit them for their brand or event. Think Instagram posts or business cards. Stuff people want to look pretty fast, but Canva's free library has tons of templates already, so you're competing with free options and thousands of other sellers. Now, Notion templates. Notion is a productivity app for organizing tasks, notes, or projects. Templates here are pre-made setups like study planners or budget trackers. They're hot on Etsy because Notion doesn't offer a big free templates library, so people buy them to save time setting up their workspace. The market's less crowded, meaning less competition for sellers. So which sells better? Canva templates have a huge audience. Millions use Canva, but the market's packed and free templates make it tough to stand out. You need unique designs to grab attention. Notion templates have fewer sellers and high demand since users need ready-made solutions. They're easier to rank for on Etsy due to lower competition, but Notion's smaller user base means a smaller audience. What's better for what? If you love designing visuals and can create niche, high-quality graphics, Canva templates could earn you more because of the bigger market. But if you're into organizing systems and want an easier start with less competition, Notion templates are the way to go. Data from Etsy shows Canva templates can make $1,000 to $2,000 a month for new sellers, while top Notion templates can hit similar numbers with less effort due to lower competition. Choose based on your skills and how much time you want to spend standing out. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your favorite templates type. Like and subscribe for more videos.